Going up.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See,
If I
is on.
wasn't
2,
grab it.
3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
7,
18, 19,
20,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Yeah. This is normal. This is actually too long.
Yeah.
Our mechanics have to tighten the belt again.
Yeah.
Okay. So pick us up again.
Yeah, pickups again.
This is going to be a straight up departure for 15 Delta. Straight up approved, 15 Delta. Stand up, 5 Juliet Delta.
Stops the drift, okay?
Yeah.
You have to do something. If we don't give the correct input, stop the drift. Don't raise collective anymore. We're constantly drifting forward.
Okay.
When we're constantly drifting forward, aft cycle. Okay?
Activity option number 2.
More aft cycle, get to the left. Do you realize what's happening right now? What is our nose doing?
Left, going left.
Exactly. How do we stop going left?
Light pedals.
A little bit more right pedal.
Yeah.
Here we are on the edge. I have to interfere here because otherwise we are going over the slope.
Okay.
You have to, you can't go solo if we are not stable in the pickup and set downs. Okay? So this is the most important thing, so we have to practice pickups and set downs. Okay, let's go back over number 4.
Number 4.
Stabilize hovering first.
Yeah.
Crossing turn approved, 5 Juliet Delta. Okay, we're looking for
Let's
traffic
get
over
more to the left, then we are over pad 4. No, stop. I have control.
You have control.
I have control. Okay? Why do we turn to the left here? When we just want to go to the left, that we are over the pad.
Okay.
Just give a little bit cyclic input, keeps the nose straight.
Nose straight, okay.
Just keep everything stable here and then try to do a set down again. Okay? You have controls?
I have controls.
You have controls. Okay, stabilize first. First, stable hover. We are not stable, we are turning around.
NR 605, runway 26 right, 70 whiskey.
Get higher. Okay? You really don't want to do this. We are unstable. Don't think about setting down now. Okay?
Okay.
Get over number 4 and try. I have controls?
You have control?
I have controls. Okay? Right now we are not trying set downs because we are unstable.
Okay.
Try to stay here, our number 4. Try to be in a stable hover here. Okay?
Okay.
Try to be stable first. Okay?
Okay.
You have controls?
I have control.
You have controls.
Hold that to 30, Patrick, clear to take off, 426. November 5 Juliet Delta, fire base. Delta base, 5 Juliet Delta.
Check 700 going around, just try.
Check 700, roger. You just put your crossing turn now, I will call your base.
Crossing, you'll call base for check 700.
What are you doing?
Full stop, just go try.
Did I say set down? I said, no, I did say, the one thing I said is stable hover hour number 4, no set down, stabilize first, be in a stable hover. I did not say set down, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Because we are unstable today. You're not working with your pedals.
Yeah.
We have to be stable so that we can do set down.
Okay.
See how we're turning to the right? You have to stop this. Wind is calm, it's not the wind, okay? You have to use your pedals more.
Number 5 Juliet Delta, turn base, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Turn base 26 right, clear for the option. 5 Juliet Delta.
6 Kilo Charlie, left turn onto Kilo 2.
Turn Kilo 2, over ground, 6 Kilo Charlie.
Line 71, traffic 2 mile final for 26 left, left on runway 30, quick takeoff. Number 7, correction for track 700, number 2, phone traffic on base, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
26 right, clear for the option. We have that traffic on base inside we're number 2 for track 700.
November 7, number 15 Delta, traffic rolling 30 now as a full bus traffic westbound out of 1500. Just maintain your current altitude for now, remain with me.
Current altitude with you, 15 Delta.
We are 90-degree pedal turn to the east. 90 degrees left pedal turn to the east that we are facing. Okay? Stabilize here. Hold it. Okay?
26 right, 70 whiskey.
Stable hover here.
Yeah.
We're still going 30, we'll do a few minutes before we can get you out.
We're still running 30, number 2131.
Foster 426 down through after reset line.
Requesting landing at Maverick, helicopter 426.
Foster 426, my apologies, landing Maverick with the afternoon.
Landing at Maverick at Maverick, helicopter 426.
Okay, let's do a 90 degrees left pedal turn.
Left pedal.
90 degrees left pedal turn, so we are facing north now.
3 miles westbound, restricted at 2000, the same contact, still got a park south.
Hold it here.
Order departure, look me traffic point 71.
November 15 Delta, that traffic now is upwind,
You're right, forward left.
westbound.
90 degree left pedal turn, so we are facing west.
We'll keep looking for that traffic up to the direction 15 Delta.
15 Delta, frequency change for the day.
Frequency, have a good day, 15 Delta.
Okay. 90 degree left pedal turn, so we see